As a kid, I really liked snow. I really loved snow. I love being outside in the snow. And this is the first time in 10 years that they called a snowstorm. And I'm really excited to go outside. I haven't really been in any snow for the past few years. I haven't really walked around in any snow. And since I barely go outside, since my collapsed lung, I really want to grab this opportunity to just show some shots of the city, or at least my neighborhood, uh snowed in, and maybe tell some stories about when I was a kid in the snow, the dumb shit I did as a kid, walking through the snow, playing in the snow, and all that dumb shit. So I'm really excited to go outside. I only use my tripod to make videos with my phone because I use my phone as a webcam. So I'm honestly pretty excited to see if I got any use of this tripod outside in the snow today. Just hoping it works out. Here's the beautiful view. It doesn't look like much, but we barely get any snow, so to me it's a lot already for someone who hasn't really experienced snow in like 3, 4, maybe 5 years. I honestly expected a lot more people since we never really get snow. So this is pretty wild to me. An energy drink can. I used to go to school here. This was my elementary school. This is a weird wood shop place right next to it. You could always go in there. So when I was a kid, me and a couple friends, we used to get some unripe plums. We used to throw them at cars here. Shit was gas. That was like the old times. I was like 10 years old. We did that. Every passing car we'd see, just throw some fucking plums at it. See all these cars driving slow. A lot of people aren't used to it. Church all snowed in. Look at all these trees. Snow came by like 2 months too late. It's fucking February, man. Why the fuck do we have snow around this time of the year? It's not normal. Not the regular shit that they try to convince us about global warming. Yeah, right. So this is the playground we used to play at when I was a kid. Started playing out there. The play sets. Play soccer here. Kick a ball around. Used to be a different playground when I was younger. And there, that's the spot when where we went to as we got older. We started smoking and all that shit. We just chilled out there. The big red monument. I don't know why it's here. It was pretty nice. Back when we were little, we'd have a lot of snow fights here, a lot of snowball fights to make a big ass snowman, shit like that. It was pretty cool. This one time we made some yellow snow and we threw it at a car. And okay, this is gonna be fucked up what I'm about to say, but this one time we made yellow snow and we convinced the kid to eat that snow. The kid was like a year younger than us. I was like 9 years old, 10 years old. And we convinced this kid to eat yellow snow. It was disgusting. We had a good laugh about it. Never saw the kid since, so I don't know about him. I really miss this place. It was way different growing up. If we had snow, a lot of people would go outside. It'd be one mess of people out here. Oh, watch your step. It's a skateball. I'm not going any closer. A lot of kids playing there, and they probably wouldn't like me filming there right now. So I thought it'd be nice to walk on the bike lane. Since not a single bike is gonna drive here, right here. Same for motorcycles. They're just not gonna take the risk, I'm pretty sure. Look at this. It's a view we're not used to here. This is the other side perspective of the road that we used to throw plums at the cars. This is the other side. I think I'm gonna do a walk through and on the. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I gotta puff my inhaler, but. So I'm walking to the station, and that station was of great importance to us because we used to skate wherever the fuck we could. And the station, oh, give me a second, big car. That one station was like the only place we could skate flat ground in peace. Had like the road, you got everything. And only thing we got, I mean, not the only thing, that station is like a tiny ass station. It's got 2 trains, like 3 bus lines, and 2 tram lines. That's it. But it's pretty sick. It's a playground again. This all looks fucking beautiful. I think I'm gonna get me something to drink in a bit. My lungs hurting. But yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna hop out to the grocery store first, or if I'm gonna walk to the station and then show the next spot. I'm like all the way frozen. I just caught my beard being frozen and all that. They're like dying out here. Here's a bridge. This bridge leads up to the station. There's no trains today. Every single train got canceled. But we used to skate here. That was fucking cool. The water hasn't frozen liquid yet. I mean frozen solid. Fuck was I thinking? Frozen liquid. But yeah, looking pretty good. View of the station. One of those other spots we used to throw yellow snow at the bus. I wish I could go to the next spot I anticipated on going to, but sadly my lungs are hurting like crazy right now. I'm gonna head out to the grocery store, then get back inside. I don't really have many more other stories to tell outside. I mean, I have, but I was out of breath. It hurt my lungs a lot to go outside, but I feel like I really had to go outside since I barely go on any walks. Since that shit just hurts. And I tried what I could. I tried to talk for as much as I could. I hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.